Hi everyone, this is Yamuna from EFW18. In this video, I'm going to explain the implementation of the Forex GetAccountEquity web API. First, I created the stored procedure for the GetAccountEquity in the EForT database project. In this, I use a select statement to fetch the fields login ID, open, close, high, low, volume, time slot from the account equity table based on the criteria using the login ID and the time slot is between the start date and the end date. This is my store procedure for the get account equity. So once the store procedure is done, we're gonna see the implementation of web API in the EForT EFWA project. So here what I did was in the controller, first we'll go to the Forex DB. So this is the one which I created for the GetAccountEquity in the Forex DB. As you saw, there we are passing 3 parameters in the stored procedure, right? Login ID, start date, and end date. So we are creating a method of type account equity in enumerable with the start date, end date, and the login ID, and we are connecting to the stored procedure which we have created in the database project. Based on this, we are gonna based on these 3 parameters are being passed as an input, and we're gonna fetch the complete record of that account. It's like ID, login ID, open, high, low, close, volume, time slot, and these are the things which we're gonna fetch it based on these 3 parameters from the database. So the corresponding controller part is get account equity with these 3 parameters as the input, and we're gonna fetch the complete list of the record. So once it is done, I just build this project and I'm gonna just make a try how it's working in the web API, it's working or not in the local host. In the local host, it's a get account equity, right? So already I made a data space for this account ID. And I made a data setup for this. So when I gave with this ID and the date, start date, and the end date as a parameter, it should fetch the complete record of that. So you can see this, right? We can see the high, low, close, volume, and the complete record based on the 3 parameters which we are passing. So now our web API is working. So the product owner and the mentor for this project is Masaz Sajati, and myself, the developer, Yamuna Indrasen. And thank you for watching this video.